If you're starting a YouTube channel in 2023, the first thing you should improve upon is the audio quality, because people can sit through a bad video, but it's very hard to keep listening to bad audio. I had heard many successful YouTubers say this thing over and over, but I didn't realize the importance of it until I lost audio in one of the earpieces of my earphone. The same song that I enjoyed listening to with two earpieces was irritating with only one. I'm sure same thing has happened to you at some point as well. So having a good audio is crucially important for the videos. You can see for yourself. Would you keep listening to this for a long time? Or would you rather keep listening to this for a long time? And so when I finally started my YouTube channel in 2023, I decided to improve upon the audio quality and purchased a microphone, Rode Wireless Go 2. Hi, my name is Sumit Inamdar and welcome to this YouTube channel. If you're first time here, on this channel we talk about tech products, real estate, investing, stocks, batteries and electric vehicles and a lot of other things, but mostly from an investing and growth point of view. If you enjoy such content, please do hit like and subscribe to this channel. In this video today, we'll be going over Rode Wireless Go 2 unboxing, performance and features of this microphone, comparison of iPhone microphone versus Rode Wireless Go 2, cost comparison, and at the end I'll tell you a few reasons why I personally prefer to purchase this microphone over other options out there, and why I think this is the best microphone for new YouTubers such as myself. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now let's go over each item in detail. The first one that we have in the package is a microphone, also known as transmitter. This is what captures your voice when you're speaking and transmits it to the receiver so that you can record it. On the top of this block at the center, we have a microphone. On one side of the microphone, we have two LEDs, one for the battery and the other one is for the connectivity. On the other side of the microphone, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack connection. At the bottom of this block at the center, we have power button with Rode O on it, and on one side we have USB-C connection. On the back side you have a clip to attach this mic to your clothing whenever you're using it. That's all the buttons and connections that you have on microphone. There is one more mic in the package which has exactly the same arrangement. One mic, two LEDs for battery and connectivity, one headphone jack connection, one USB-C connection, and the clip on the back and the power button at the center. The next one that you have in this package is a receiver, which is this block. On the top of this block you have a power button at the center with Rode O on it. On one side you have USB-C connection and 3.5mm headphone jack connection. At the bottom you have two buttons. One is for mute and gain control, while the other is for the channel selection. On the front side of the receiver you have a digital display that shows you all the useful information that you need to see whenever you're recording it. On the back side of the receiver also you have a clip to attach it to your clothing whenever you're using it. This clip also works as an attachment to your camera if you're using it with camera. I'm not planning to use it with camera because I don't use camera for recording my videos. The next thing that we have here is windscreen, which is these little things, and you get 3 of these in package, one for each mic and an extra in case you lose one. What I want want to show you though is how easy it is to attach them to the microphone. On the back side of the windscreen, you have these two little white dots, and on the microphone also you have these two little dots that you can, I don't know if you can see it. What you have to do is just align these two white dots with these two dots and give it a little twist, and that's it. It's attached. This is a really firm attachment, so you can be sure that these windscreens are not just gonna fly away in case you have a windy weather outside when you're recording. To remove it, all you have to do is give it a little anti-clockwise twist and it comes off. Right now when I'm showing this to you in video, it could look a little complicated and something that you have to do very carefully, but once you get a hang of it, it's really easy to work with. The next thing that we have in package is a user manual which tells you about like all the buttons and functions of the microphone and receiver, and cables. We have one 3.5mm connector cable and then 3 USB-C cables. So now that we have looked at everything that comes in this package, let's look at some of the features of this mic. The first one on the list is that it works with computer directly. As I said before, the receiver has a USB-C port that you can use to connect receiver to your computer and use this microphone just as a USB mic for your computer, for your office meetings, or whenever you need to use microphone for your podcast recordings. And so with Rode Wireless Go 2, you get a one-stop solution for all your needs, whether you're recording videos for YouTube or Instagram with fancy camera or smartphone, or if you're recording podcasts or reaction videos online. You can even use this microphone just as a USB microphone for your office meetings to have a crisp audio quality for your meetings. Of course, there are cables and attachments available online that you will have to purchase extra in case you don't have a USB-C port on your computer. The next one on the list is that it works with any smartphone. Yes, Rode Wireless Go 2 works with any smartphone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. For iPhone, you'll have to purchase an extra cable that has USB-C connection on one side and Lightning connection on other side, so that you can plug USB-C into your receiver and Lightning into your iPhone. Rode also has this cable available on their website. Please feel free to check it out. For Android, you should be able to get away with this 3.5mm connector cable. If your Android phone doesn't have that port, then you'll also have to purchase an extra cable online. The next feature that we have on the list for this microphone is that it lets you record in mono and stereo mode as well. In simple words, what it means is if you're recording in mono, that means audio from two microphones is recorded on two separate channels. And if you're recording in stereo mode, then audio from two microphones is recorded on one channel. The advantage of recording in mono is that you can edit and adjust two separate audios according to your needs. For example, if you're recording a podcast with a guest or a friend and your voice is very loud and clear, but your guest's voice is a little bit hazy and not so clear, then you need separate adjustment for those two audios. And you'll be able to do that if you have these two audios recorded on two separate channels, so that you can make sure that you have very nice and clear audio for both you and your guest in the finished recording. If you're recording in the stereo, however, then you have both audios recorded on one channel. So you can apply your edits and adjustments to this one channel or to both audios. You cannot edit them separately. So like I said before, if your voice is loud and clear and your guest's voice in podcast recording is not so clear, it's hazy, then your finished recording will have two different audios where one person sounds very nice and loud and clear and the other person is hazy and not so clear. And obviously this could affect your views and your channel in turn as well. The next feature that we have on the list is recording on the receiver itself. For those who don't know, in any recording setup, usually you have a transmitter and you have a receiver. Transmitter captures your audio when you're speaking and transmits it to the receiver, and receiver usually stores it to an external device that you have connected to it, which is usually your camera, which has SD card in it, or your computer. With Rode Wireless Go 2, you can record an audio on the receiver itself. For example, if you met your friend or guest, and if you don't have your computer or camera with you, you can still record your episode just with the help of a microphone and the receiver. Does this mean that you get 3 microphones in this package? The answer is no. Don't let this confuse you. You still need your microphone to capture the audio, but you can use your receiver to store it. Rode claims that you can store store up to 24 hours of recording on this receiver, which is very large in my opinion and should be sufficient for most creators. Rode also has its own app called Rode Central, which lets you access all the crisp, high quality audio files that you have recorded on the receiver. From there, you can drag those files directly into your favorite editor and start your post-production. The next feature for this microphone is that it's an omnidirectional microphone, meaning it can capture audio in 360 degrees around it. Unlike some other microphones which are one directional or unidirectional, which can capture the audio in the direction that they are pointing at and not behind them. One recommendation while using this microphone is that you have to keep a clean line of sight between a transmitter and a receiver. If there is someone standing between these two, or if there is like a wall in between these two, there could be some disturbance in the audio that you capture. So it is recommended that if you want to have a clean, nice and crisp audio captured on your receiver, then you have to keep a clean line of sight between these two. So let's talk about the cost. Today in June 2023, the cost of this microphone is about $299 without taxes. With taxes, it comes out to be around $317. Rode initially came with a different option of this package, which has only one microphone and one receiver, which is still available on the market, and the cost of that one today is $249 without taxes. If you're a new YouTuber or new creator looking to invest in your audio setup, I recommend you to spend extra $50 and get Wireless Go 2 instead of Wireless Go option, because having an extra mic in your gearbox opens up a lot of opportunities. For example, with an extra microphone, you can have your friend over and record a podcast with him, or just a casual reaction video with him, or you can use this extra mic just for yourself to record some random outside audios to include them in your video while you use the other microphone to record your voice. So these were some of the main features of this microphone. So why did I decide to go with Rode Wireless Go 2 option over some of the other microphones available in the market? After hearing a lot of YouTubers talk about the importance of audio in your videos, I had decided that whenever I start my YouTube channel, the first important investment that I will do is in my audio setup. But at the same time, I also wanted to invest in the microphone that is versatile in nature, meaning something that can work with any type of phone or computer or camera setup, and also provides considerably good audio quality. For this channel, my plan is to keep recording videos on my iPhone itself and not upgrade to any camera until it pays for itself, meaning until the channel starts producing some income so that it can pay for the camera itself. But I wanted to have a microphone that can work with camera in case I decide to upgrade to the camera setup in future. And so while I was looking for something that can work with phone and later in the camera setup and also give me a good quality, one of the important factors for me was that it has to be easy to play with, easy to work with. I wanted a microphone that I can just connect to my phone and start recording. I didn't want to deal with any software or any of the complicated work that professional audio engineers do. So when I started looking for options on the market, this Rode Wireless Go 2 checked all my boxes. It meets all my requirements and expectations. It works with iPhone, it works with Android, it works with computer, it can work with camera later on as well, and it's a plug and play. You can just connect it to your iPhone and start recording. Also, you don't have to do much extra work to your audio later in the post-production or while editing. You can just edit your videos. Your audio comes out as an integrated file with your video, and you can just do the edits and you're ready to go. So these were the main reasons why I decided to go with this one. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit like and subscribe to this channel. It helps a lot. And if you decide to purchase this microphone, please do let me know in comments. Bye-bye.